Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be doing a Shein haul. I bought these products in April, and I got them at 3 weeks after, before the tariff on Shein, or before Shein prices went up. And the first thing that I'm going to share with you guys is a sealant. For those of you who love snacks like myself, I thought that this was very convenient to have, just to see, maybe not even snacks alone, but your bread, your cereals, just to keep things fresh. And I will also have a screenshot of the items and the costs as well. And we do have a diffuser, so I bought some essential oils. And moving on, I bought some stuff for my mom glasses so that they can hang on better. With this one, I wasn't sure what it was, because Shein pictures are enlarged, and I was not expecting these to be so small. So these are, as you guys will see at the picture, um tools for cleaning your ears. And at first I thought they were tools for cleaning your teeth, because I did bought those as well. um these I have started using. However, you have to be very careful because they're very small. But they do clean your ears very well, but I'm holding on to them for life when I'm cleaning my ears. All right, moving on. And these are the um teeth cleaner that I purchased, and they are very heavy, stainless steel materials, and I can tell you they are sharp and they worked amazing. um they came in a pack of 6, and you guys will see the price. It is not expensive, and they do the job. Okay, so moving on. um I I bought some microphones, and I'm using it today for the first time to edit video. So by the sound, you let me know if my microphone sounds better to you guys. And yeah, so that is it. And the next thing I have is my tripod. This is my second tripod I bought from Shein. The other one was the octopus leg, and within a month or two the legs broke off. And I did figure out how to open this one. At first I didn't have a clue, but later on I did, like, just play around with it, and I figured out how to open it and to extend it to its full capacity. So I got these hooks to put up in the bedroom or even in the bathroom, and I've been using them for a while, and I only have one up. The sticky, I don't know if the word is adhesive, it doesn't last long. So if you guys are getting these or thinking of getting these, I do recommend you not to get them. I have one up, and I don't know how long it's going to last. But they were cheap. I think they were probably the 3 for $1. So if you can find something that is a bit more expensive, maybe that will hold up a bit longer. I got this as a little gift for my mom for Mother's Day. I got some hairpins and some rubber bands because they were super cheap. I think it was 500 rubber bands for $1, and the hairpins were $1 as well. I bought this light to attach to my phone when I'm recording, and it hasn't turned on. I'm not sure how it's going to charge, and at the moment I have no use for it because I don't see any way to charge or anything like that. And I did not realize that the tripod came with a light that is very bright. So I'll be using that instead. It's a loss, but what can I do about it? All right. I bought 2 bonnets, one for my mom and one for myself. So I'm gonna open mine, and this has been the most wanted thing on my list. I've always wanted a bonnet, but I don't know why I never. But these were, I think, $1 at the time, or $1 and some change, and I put that on every night, and I wake up with it. And you know how much that is a blessing to go to sleep with a bonnet and to wake up with it. And it is silk as well, so good for your hair and super cheap. Moving on, I bought this thing for the my kitchen sink. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit it, and that's my fault. But I really liked it at the time. Um, but yeah. By the way, this is probably almost about 3 weeks or so after I got these things. But I tried it on, it just doesn't fit, and I'm okay with the loss. All right, moving on. So next thing I bought is, I've always wanted one of these. It's like a little basket. I won't say basket, but to put over your kitchen sink pipe, so you can put your sponge and whatever little items for your sink in there. And I've already been using it, and I will say it is a lot smaller in person than I have imagined. So all the things that I want to fit in it, it didn't fit, but my sponge and steel wool definitely fits in there. And I'm wondering if I'm finished. I think that is it, guys. And let me know if you guys would like the link for any of the items that you see and you liked. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.